Okay, I got it out.
You know, I gotta check it out.
I got it out. Okay, try. Now what number is the 1, 2, and 1?
No, it's December 15th, so 15. 1 and a 5.
1 and a 5? What's this for? You mean 1 and a 5?
Mm-hmm.
Can't see over this. 1 and a 5. Try this one. Is this 1 and a 5? Mommy.
No, that's a 2 and a 2.
No, Casey. No, that's not it, Casey.
That's okay.
Casey can still do it.
Alright, let's see. Here's the calendar.
Okay, let's try this one.
15 looks like it's on a little girl's head at the top.
Hey, try this one. This is it. This one, you have to take it out. Oh, this is big. This like the other one.
What does it say? Alright, sit down. Oh, okay. Are you ready? Tonight, make a list of all the gifts God has given you. You're good at math, you can make people laugh, you have pretty hair, you're good at soccer, you have great family and friends.
Then what can I do with that?
That's just being thankful.